if you're feeling overwhelmed at work, I have a breathing exercise that I would like you to try. Hi, I'm Tasha, your workplace wellness coach, and I'm here to offer you a grounding breathing exercise that will settle down that overwhelming feeling you have at your workplace. This breathing exercise is called the humming bee breath exercise, or in Sanskrit is Bhramari, which is, I like that word. So essentially, what we will be doing is breathing in deeply through the nose, and then as we exhale, we're not going to open our mouths to exhale. We're going to keep our mouths closed, and we're going to add a humming sound, or you can add a buzzing sound, whichever makes you feel more grounded, more relaxed, more calming. But whatever sound resonates with you, you're going to do that as you breathe in out. The breath will be released through your nose, but you're adding a sound along with it. Another part of the technique that we'll be doing is closing our ears and covering our eyes, which is great to take away some senses so that you can focus on one of your senses, and that way that helps to relax you even more. And that's what we want, especially if you are feeling overwhelmed. So I have our 5 fingers. You're going to take the thumbs and close in the ears, and then your 3 bottom fingers, you're going to cover your eyes gently, and then just place these fingers on your temples just for relaxation and a place to comfortably put your fingers. So let me practice with you, or let me show you how it's done before, I close everything off. So you breathe in through the nose, keeping the mouth closed. And then as you breathe out, you're going to add that humming sound. So let me do it again. Now I'm going to close off my hearing and visuals as I breathe in and out, adding the sound just so I can fully focus on the air coming in and out of my body and the vibrations of the sound to really zone in on that relaxation part. Now, when I say I'm going to close off the hearing, I don't mean I can't hear the sound that I'm making. It's really to block off everything outside surrounding your body. So we really want to focus in on ourselves and our bodies even more, just so we can pour into ourselves and begin to relax everything that is weighing on you and making you feel overwhelmed. So let me begin. Closing the ears, covering the eyes, breathing in, humming out, breathing in, humming out, and then begin to release yourselves, kind of settle in, checking in with your body to see how that feels. You don't want to overexert yourself. So when you get to that point where you're feeling extra relaxed, you can begin to slow down and return back to your regular activity. Now, this felt very calming for me. Please let me know how this was helpful for you in the comments. And again, if you want me to bring my yoga wellness program to your workplace, let me know in the comments below.